smoke?
Don't take any notice, dear. You just sit there and enjoy your cigarette. I'm out. Nicotine, stop bothering your father. He's relaxing with his smokes. You just sit there, dear. Would you like another cigarette? Nicotine. There, dear, and get the door, dear.
Mom, Dad! It's Mr. Abstain, I think. But I can't see his face because of his mask.
Can you please stop smoking in the garden? The smoke is going over the garden fence, and my wife Rose is coming out in a terrible rash.
Tell her to go inside, dear. We've got as much right to smoke as you do. It's all right, dear. Give me that hose. Now you go and have a sit down in the garden. Relax, have a cigarette. I'm sorry about that. When my Siggy sees a mask, he remembers the war. You better go and get dried off, dear.
That husband of yours, he's a menace to society. I'll get you evicted if it's the last thing I do.
Oh! Have a cigarette, dear. You know it always calms your nerves